Hello. Namaste. So I've just spent the last 3 months living in India in a little rural village called Bandikwi in Rajasthan. And whilst we were living out there, we realised that periods are a huge taboo topic out there. Menstruation is just something that you don't talk about. And after learning more about it, we realised that people there believe that menstruation happens because of a sin. It's a curse from the gods. Basically, the sin of Indra means that women become weak once a month, as they describe it, and they are not allowed to go into temples or any holy pilgrimages or anything whilst they're on their periods. There's even cases where girls, they don't go to school when they're on their period, and some even just drop out entirely when they start their period. And this broke my heart learning about this. So I started doing some research and I found out that the majority of women and girls in India don't have access to sanitary pads. They use old saris, old clothes, any sort of cloth or rags that they can find, and some even use leaves and ashes during their period because they just don't have access to these items, these sanitary products. And those that do have access often can't afford them. So I wanted to do something about this. So for my birthday this year, we started a fundraiser, and it just it blew me away. We raised over £1,800, which was enough for 210 women and girls. We basically put together a kit of 6 reusable pads. That's enough for it to last the whole period, and a waterproof bag so they can put their used pads in if they're not at home. Reusable period pads, for those that don't know, are basically sanitary napkins that are made out of cloth. So this could be cotton or bamboo fibre, and they are great for the environment because there's no harmful chemicals and no plastic, and obviously you can use them again and again. They're super easy to use, they're really clean. I use them myself, I think they're amazing. And we basically went out and we educated the women. We gave lessons on why periods happen, explained to them that it's completely natural and normal, and we also taught them how to take care of the pads, how to wash them, how to clean them. And yeah, this is basically it. I just want to show you some videos and clips from what we did, and it was amazing to see the response from the women and the girls. They were just, all of them were just so happy. It was like, oh, it was amazing. Honestly, I just, thinking about it just makes me smile. We got the pads from Ecofemme through their non-profit program called Pads for Sisters. And I want to thank Ecofemme for all the help that they gave us in organising this and in getting it delivered in time, which was a big one. So thank you. And yeah, this is basically it. I want to show you video clips from what we just did, and I hope you enjoy. Effort of everybody from the office. Look at this, everybody's here today to help us. this wouldn't have been possible without the help of so many people, and I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. I was literally in tears on my birthday. I was so touched by everyone's kindness and generosity and willingness to help. So like they say in India, Dhanyavad. Thank you. Bonjour. Hello. Bye. Okay. Qui. Bye. No. Hello. Bye. Okay. So, are you ready? Okay, no problem. Yes. Man, I thought that was really good what I did earlier. Can I just edit that together? Tiger tiger. Dum dum doo 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 bum bum doo 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 doo. Bahut acha. Hello. My name is John. Okay, this is getting weird.